Before you go further, pause for a moment and ask yourself honestly, how do your mornings truly feel? Do you wake up rushed, mentally scattered, checking your phone before checking in with your own self? Or feeling tired even after a full night's sleep? Many people wake up between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. without any reason. Your mind feels awake, your breath feels different, and something inside feels more alive than usual. This moment is not random. It's what I call feeling the time, a natural inner alignment where your intuition becomes louder and your energy becomes more receptive to guidance. You have all heard about the law of attraction, but real transformation doesn't come from wishing. You don't receive what you want, you receive what you are connected to energetically. This is law of connection. And the most powerful time to build that connection is your morning. For over 30 years, I have observed one truth. Your morning energy becomes your life energy. I wasn't always this aligned or centered. I learned how to build this clarity, this calm, and this power. And everything changed when I stopped walking and waking up in chaos and started waking up with intention. And I know there are two types of people watching this right now. Group 1, I want to wake up early, but what will I do? If you think I'll wake up and then what? You don't lack discipline, my friend. You lack clarity. And that's exactly why the sacred morning rituals exist. It gives you a clear, structured, guided process. So you never wake up feeling confused or directionless again. And if you are thinking 4:30 a.m., the second group, who wakes up that early? I understand. Waking up early is not about force. It's about alignment. It's definitely not about discipline, but it's about your connection. When you begin to feel the time, then your inner voice becomes louder, then your energy rises. You naturally want to meet yourself before the world comes in. 4:30 a.m. is not about the clock. It's about the version of you that waits for you at that hour. The sacred morning that's why created for you. A 30-minute process practiced Monday to Friday to realign your breath, your mind, your emotions, your energy, your actions. S is for stillness through breath, resetting your system before any noise enters your space. A is for affirmations, that is reprogramming your subconscious when it's most open. C, clarity through visualization, quiet focus that dissolves confusion and activates purpose. R is for release with Ho'oponopono and EFT practices. We let go of emotional heaviness and old patterns too. E is for energy alignment through gratitude, shifting our vibrations instantly into expansions. And D is for how to design your day, creating intentions so that your day follows your energy and not the world's chaos. This is not a motivation, this is not a trend, this is alignment. If your mornings feel heavy, if your mind feels overloaded, if your energy feels disconnected, then this is your moment to rise differently. Or why don't you come to my 4:30 a.m. Sacred Morning Club? Monday to Friday, live, 30 minutes, a quiet, powerful shift that changes how you think, feel, and live. If you feel called to more clarity, calm, and inner strength, click the button below, join the Sacred Morning Club, and mornings are calling. And once you feel the difference, you will never go back. That's my promise. See you at 4:30 a.m. And why don't you love yourself more? Love you.